Today, we're going to install LED lights on the Y series trunk sill. Let's see what's inside the package I received. Door sill with LED lighting. Warranty card. 2 magnets. These are the parts we need to install. Remove the factory trunk sill trim. Pick up the felt board and set it aside. Grasp one side of the original door trim with both hands and pull upward firmly to release the clip. The same method is used on the other side as well. Then remove the 4 clips from the original door sill trim. To release the clip, simply pinch it with 2 fingers and pull it outward. Remove the remaining 3 one by one. Install a new door threshold. Reattach the removed clips to the new door sill. Install them in order. Testing LED illumination using a magnet. Align the new threshold strip with the holes and press it into place. Fold the weather strip up to cover the door threshold. Remove the magnet. Install the magnets inside the 2 rubber support covers on the trunk lid. You can use a tool to press the magnet into place. Peel off the protective film. Installation complete.